Hi everybody, welcome to Sharon's Home and Garden. So I have this little garden bed here outside my back door, and I love to plant lettuces in here, specifically cut and come again lettuces. So join me today as we plant up this little garden bed. First thing I like to do is just loosen up all the soil. Pull out any weeds that are in it. This bed is at the perfect height. So I'm only going down about 3 or 4 inches here. And now I want to amend the soil. I'm going to add in this chicken manure. And some earthworm castings. And we're just going to mix that in to the top couple inches. Rock. Okay. Now I'm going to plant these about 4 inches apart. Maybe a little more. Remember, these are going to be cut and come again lettuces. So they don't have to worry about them heading. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just grabbed a bunch of lettuce. Merlot lettuce, Rocky Top mix. I love red lettuces. Garnet rose. Here's a lettuce mix. Midnight Ruffles. I'm going to plant a row of these bunching onions and these bunching onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need one more. You know what? We'll do 2 rows of this pine tree. So the bunching onions, I'm going to put on the end. The rest of these are typical seeds. And I never label these because I really don't care. Most of the time, I just like growing lettuce. I don't really eat as much as I should because I just think it's so beautiful, especially the red lettuces. I just think they're so beautiful. And then I just cover it up. And pat them in. And then I'll give them a good water. Whoops. That's pretty good. So that is it for this episode. It's a quick, short one, but I just wanted to show you what is possible to plant in one of these little beds. I hope you enjoy your day, and if you like what you saw here, please hit that subscribe button, and always remember, be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye-bye.